guys, welcome back to our channel Tone's Caribbean Body, and in today's session I want to share with you how to make gluten-free porridge. Yes, and what I have here guys is Dasheen porridge, Dasheen and Tannia porridge. Remember we did that session on how to make Dasheen or Tannia and Tannia composite flour. Well, this is the first dish that I'm making with that composite flour, and I was inspired, honestly. I'm going to call my customer's name Dana. I was inspired by Dana, who contacted me. She said she was looking for one of my products, Nola Gourmet products, looking for one of my products to make porridge for her baby. Her baby is 6 months old, and she didn't want to feed her with store-bought cereal or formula, and she was looking for something natural and healthy. Oh wow, people like those really exist, right? So I told her honestly, I didn't have any of my products that she could use, but one of my affiliates, actually two of my affiliates, they have a line of gluten-free flours that she can try. Now honestly, I have never made porridge from the gluten-free flours. Pretty much everything else, from pancakes to muffins to waffles, yes. Porridge, no. But porridge is a Friday night tradition at our house. It's just that we make cornmeal and oats and you know, those traditional type porridges. But I remember growing up, my parents used to make green fig porridge for us, so I knew it could have been done. It's just that I never did it. So I decided I am going to try the Dasheen and the Tannia porridge. And guys, look at this. This looks so creamy. So listen, and it tastes guys, it tastes so good. So I just wanted to share my video, my method, my process with you. I know it will be a big hit with you and your family. You could use it, you can eat it at night if you're looking for something light before you go to bed, or you can have it for breakfast along with your other breakfast items. Whichever way you decide to use it, just use it, because it's all natural goodness, healthy goodness that you and your entire family will love. So take a look at the video. Let me know what you think below in the comments. And if you think this is something that you'll be willing to try, give it a try. And thank you, Dana, for once again inspiring this video. And I hope you and the rest of the viewers will enjoy it. I'm gonna go back to eating my porridge. Enjoy the video, guys. So we're gonna get right into making our Dasheen and Tannia porridge by adding cold or room temperature water to a bowl and then mixing the Dasheen and Tannia composite flour to that water slowly, making sure that any lumps formed are carefully mixed out. Now you can use any type of gluten-free flour to make porridge. I just chose to use the Dasheen and Tannia composite because I had a lot of it, right? So you can use any type of gluten-free flour. Make sure you use cold or room temperature water to mix with the flour, because using hot water will make it form lumps. Then afterwards, you simply add half of the water to a pot on a stove under medium heat and allow it to boil. Flavor it with your spices, bay leaf, cinnamon, ginger if you want to put some essence in it, and allow those to simply flavor the water while it boils. Make sure to stir your flavorings in the water nicely. Then simply add your gluten-free flour water mixture to the pot of boiling water, stirring slowly and continuously to ensure it does not form any lumps. Now I have realized when making cornmeal, sago, cream of wheat, they all pretty much behave the same way, and continuous stirring is necessary, not just to cook the mixture but also to create a very smooth porridge. So stirring continuously may seem to be a lot of hard work and tedious, but it's absolutely necessary if you want a smooth porridge. You may notice that as the mixture continues to heat and you continue stirring, the mixture gets thicker, and this is where you will need to pick up the pace when it comes to the stirring so that the lumps are ironed out, those that are formed, and the mixture gets thicker. It's like when you're making cornmeal, kuku, that violent stirring, this needs to be exercised. So you then add the rest of the water. Remember, you used half in the early stages, and as it thickens you will need to add the remaining water because it sucks up the liquid pretty quickly. Because it's my first time making this porridge, I notice it behaves very similar to cornmeal porridge. This is when I then add the liquid, the milk, to the mixture and continue stirring violently. Now, porridge is very popular here in the Caribbean, and I think it's pretty much eaten in every home because of its versatility and its convenience. So after you've added the milk, you see how smooth and creamy and thick the mixture is now. And I've noticed it has a shine to it that is just really amazing. Then you now add your sweetener, whether you want to use honey, or if it's for a baby, you can add some pulped fruits that are in season for that natural sweetening effect. You can also add your seeds to the mixture now. Chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds. You can make a really nice blend and add it to your porridge in addition to ground cornmeal or even oats. That will just add some more body to the porridge mixture. And if you're like me, this is where I also add some cricks, which is the vital supply. And now it's all done. We sprinkled some cinnamon over it and it's complete and ready for our Friday night tradition. I hope you guys try it. Thank you so much for watching.